folks, it's Nito with AP 2020 Outdoors. Man, it's been a long time since I've been coyote hunting. I'm out here at the magic Coyote Field of Dreams. I think I've killed 8 coyotes out here. Stay tuned. I've got my 300 blackout pistol stoked with the new Lehigh Defense prototype 120 grain. These are called the Wicked bullets. I've coined the name Wicked. They have the fluid transfer monolithic design. I've got my Pulsar XP38 Trail 640 core. Stay tuned. Smoked them. Whew, man. Wow. Wow. My gosh, my heart is just racing now. Wow. Folks, I'd spotted some whiteness right on that far fence row. That fence row is about 200 yards distance. Oh my gosh. Did you hear that thwop? Hopefully this will be the first kill with the Lehigh Defense 300 blackout 120 grain Wicked fluid transfer monolithic. Alright, rifle is cleared. Let's go get this coyote. Hopefully that's the direction he's in. Alright folks, got her done, man. Number 36. Let me tell you guys, this farm is unbelievable. I think this is number 9 now that I've killed off this farm. And this was I had to be very patient on this hunt. I set up my collar on the round bales about 40 yards away to my south and west. The wind was coming out of the south and southwest. This big male come out of the northwest out in this clover field. Probably 200 yards away when I first spotted a little white blob in my Pulsar trail. And then I'd seen where the farmer had driven a couple places in the the clover, and then he started coming right in. And I don't know if he'd seen me, but he had stopped, and I had the pip on the trail, and I just took the shot. And I'll tell you what, guys, that Lehigh Defense, oh man, I just hammered him with the I call them the 120 grain Wickeds out of my 300 blackout pistol. I think there's like 2190 feet per second. Fluid transfer monolithic. I'm going to take this coyote home tomorrow. Maybe I'll do an autopsy on him. Man, it's a nice big male. Look at him. Alright folks, this Nito with AP 2020 Outdoors. Man, it's great to be back in the Coyote fields. This is what I love to do. The Invisible Man signing off. Remember, support our Second Amendment rights. We'll see y'all later.